Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alma. Join me today as I do this makeup look and I'll show you exactly how I did it. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Have a great day and stay tuned so you can watch the rest of my video. Look at my glossy lips. What do you guys think? If you like it, stay tuned. Hi, everybody. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today on this beautiful fall day. It's raining out here in Cali and it's like, whoa, dude. Like it's sunny and then it's like rainy. Whoa, what's going on? But anyway, it's fall. And guess what? I have a surprise. I have my contacts on. Yay. My God, I miss having my contacts on. It's just so easy to do everything, makeup, everything. Wake up, put them on, and let's go. Let's get started on this makeup look. So today I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear. My color is 3W1 Tawny. I don't know if the numbers have, like, does it matter? I don't know. But I already have my foundation. My moisturizer is on already. I'm going to get my Fix Plus by MAC and I'm going to spray it all over my face. Okay, so I haven't worn this foundation in a really long time. I was excited to wear it today because I do need a long wearing. I'm going to be having this on all day on my face. And right now it's about 11 o'clock or so. So I need this to last till 11 p.m. I'm having guests over, my sister, my mom, my daughter, the oldest one. So today is fight night. And I made this big old pot of meatball soup. So yeah, we're ready to go. I literally, oh, okay. I made that soup last night. So I reheated it up this morning and I'm like, I can't wait. Everybody's like texting, like, whoa, let's do it. I'm going to be using this makeup brush by Real Techniques, this one right here, to spread out my foundation. Okay, and my foundation is on and check it out how it looks. I hope the lighting is good. I feel like I had to tone it down because when I posted the videos, I noticed that they've been looking super bright. And I'm like, whoa, that's super bright. But the foundation feels so good. It's still setting right now. So it's a little, like I tap it and it's like sticky-ish or wet or whatever. So yeah. Cheers for anybody who's drinking coffee right now. Cheers. I'm drinking coffee with hazelnut. I love my hazelnut. Okay, so now I'm going to move on with my concealer. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camel Concealer. I love this concealer. This one and the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer are the best. I mean, for me. Dab it. I'm just going to pick up the same brush and spread it out. I hope everybody's having a great day, a great start to their weekend. I'm just trying to think who's fighting today. I just roll with it, you know. I just make the food or whatever. Oh, Canelo is fighting, I guess. I forgot who he's fighting with. Okay, so now I'm going to pick up my Laura Mercier Brightening Under Eye Powder. Oh God. I swear, I always make a mess with this thing. I'm going to tap it on my back of my hand. I made a mess. And set my under eye and my lid. I don't know. I do it on my lid. Maybe some people don't do it on their lid. I just feel like it works for me. I think it's better than having thick powder on my lids. It's just a light powder. Okay, so now I place my brows. Okay, my brows are on. And I use this styling gel by Maybelline Tattoo Studio. I put that on my brows. And so now that my lids are set, my makeup does need a little bit of powder. It's dewy. It's on a dewy side. I don't know. Has it been dewy for me lately? I haven't used this foundation in such a long time. So I'm like, whoa, what's going on? Okay, so I'm going to use this eyeshadow. This is by Makeup Geek. It's a brown eyeshadow. It's called Espresso Yourself. I love her eyeshadows. They're so awesome. Good quality. I love the way the transfer, everything. Shoot, I think this is too dark. Yeah, I think it's too dark for what I wanted it. It's okay. And I'm just gonna swipe it back and forth because I'm trying to diffuse the color. It's a bit on the harsh side, but it's okay. That's why we need to blend. Okay, so I'm gonna go in now with this color. It's an orange color. It's called Dynamic, and it's by Makeup Geek. This is the name of it. Okay, so I'm gonna get my flat shading brush. Okay, this is by MAC, and it's the 239, I think, or the 220. I don't know. It's a flat one. And I'm just gonna do this color all over my brow. What am I saying? Oh, I'm gonna cover this all on my lid. Okay, now I'm gonna get my smudge brush. This one's by Real Techniques, and I'm gonna pick up that orangey eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use that to put it on the bottom lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to pick up this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow Ultra Glitter in Sail Away, and it looks like this. And I'm going to use that color because it's like soft, shimmery. I'm going to use that on my inner corner of my eye to brighten up the eye a little bit. And if you go overboard, just like what I did right here, you could just get that same flat brush and just tap it away. See, it still has a little bit of the orange. Like that. Okay, so I'm setting my eyes, my face a little bit with this MAC mineralized powder. This right here. I'm just dabbing it on certain areas, not my entire face. Now I'm gonna do my mascara. Okay, so I'm picking up my contour or bronzer, whatever it is, in Burnished by Makeup Geek. Okay, and I'm gonna pick up the powder with this brush. This one is Angled Complexion Brush by Equal Tools. And look how it looks. And the reason why I'm picking this brush is because I wanted a more airbrushed contour look here, not too precise. See, I think this brush does a really good job on placing the contour powder exactly where I want it, and it creates like a airbrushed finish. I'm gonna do my nose a little bit with the same contour powder with this tiny brush. This one's by Real Techniques and it's called Contour Brush. Okay, I'm gonna do this Super Dewy by Makeup Revolution liquid blush. So what I do is I, of course, take off the top. I'm gonna put it on my finger right here. Oh my God. Okay. Like this. I think that's too much, but anyway. And I'm just gonna dab it a little bit. A little goes a long way, so I feel like I might need to take some off. I don't know. I like this blush. It gives it like a dewy, glowy little look, and you can do it as faint as you want, like a little hint of color, or you can just keep packing it and it builds up. For the grand finale, I don't want to do lashes today. I think the looks good already. I think it looks great. I have these two colors that I'm debating on. I have the Maybelline Vinyl Ink Superstay. I have the color Extra. And then I have the color Fearless. Fearless? Yeah, Fearless. And I'm debating because they're both awesome. Yeah, you're right here. They're both really awesome. This one is like a warm color, and this one is just a bold color, like boom. And I'm gonna go in with this one because it's fall. This look just reminds me of like cinnamon spice, pumpkin spice, because it's like orange eyes, and then you got the bold lip. It's amazing. I love this. I love fall. It's so awesome. And today it's like a cozy day. It's like rainy and cloudy. We're not done yet, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we're not done yet. I wanted to show you guys a couple of glosses that I just bought. Okay, this is like on the TikTok shop. I swear that place is like super dangerous. I need to like stop looking at stuff. But I fell in love with this gloss right here. It's by Queen Cosmetics. And I just noticed that her glosses were beautiful and she swatches them on TikTok. And I was like, I gotta have it. I gotta have the black with the glitter for Halloween and all that stuff, so I can wear it on my Thanksgiving dinner or something. And then I've used this already on my channel and I loved it. So I ordered the last two, which are these two. This one is called a Black Widow, and it's like a really beautiful shimmery gloss, black gloss, amazing. And then I got this one is the color Heat, and this is the one I want to use today with this lip. I want to put it on top of this lip right now. So I'm just waiting for it to dry or to set at least so I can apply this. But I've been wearing this by itself, and dude, it stays on. It literally stays on. If you put a good 2 3 coats, it won't go nowhere. It stays on. I used it once already, went to the mall, walked around, blah blah blah, and dude, like, I was surprised I still had it. Okay, so let's try it on top of this color. Let me wipe it off. And I wiped it off and I'm gonna go in for more. I'm not trying to waste the product, but I have to. I swear I need to get me those disposable little gloss applicator thingies because I love mixing the colors like the glosses and the lipsticks, and I don't like going back in with it. But check it out. Can you guys see the glossy glitter? I hope you guys can see it. It's beautiful. My God, I love it. I love it. I freaking love it. It's so beautiful. I love the way this look came out. Perfect for fall. Perfect for this weather. Pumpkin spice and everything nice, or what? Oh my God, I love it. And lately I haven't been using the setting spray. I've been okay without it. I just use it in the beginning of my makeup. It just gives me that nice application with my foundation. So I'm just gonna keep it that way. And yeah, everybody, this is my complete finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day. Have a great weekend.